Who are these? This queer next to my car. What's up, everyone? Oh, Justin here for another video. Now, right now, if you can tell by the title, you already know what we're about to do. As you just saw, Jamar is outside. I just came up in the house because I had to pee. We're about to go work on the TL. So I'm not even gonna try to explain the whole situation that's going on. I'm just gonna go out there and let him do it because, yeah. Pretty much we're trying to see if this shit works because Jamar's car has a blown, well, a slowly head gasket leak. About what, 2 weeks ago? About two. That you had this shit. Okay, so 2 weeks ago we went to Hampton and it was all fine or whatever. As soon as we got off the highway, it didn't like overheat. It was just like running hot, so it was like sitting like right in the middle. And we thought it was the thermostat, so we changed that. It was okay. Then it started doing the shit again like a couple days later. So then we were like, okay, maybe it's the reservoir cap or the radiator cap. No, it was the radiator cap that we thought it was, because remember we got that up in
it was, but you fixed that.
Well, pretty much we fucking changed the hose to the reservoir, to the overflow tank. We changed the radiator cap. We changed the thermostat. We changed all the shit. So we're just assuming, and we did a little test where you see if the exhaust is leaking into the shit. And pretty much the head gasket is about to be fucked.
Chemical test, the test for, what is it? What's carbon? CO2? No.
No. Yeah.
It smells like you're sniffing the exhaust.
Oh yeah, it does. Oh, it does. It don't even smell like antifreeze.
No antifreeze smell at all.
So yeah, we've come to the option of either he pays $2,300 to get a head gasket job done, which is not gonna happen, or we try this Blue Devil shit. But now Acura charges like $2,500 pretty much, and every other shop is too scared to do it. They just rather replace the motor or whatever. So we're gonna try this shit. Everywhere it says that it should be okay, and it works and shit. So we're gonna see what it does. Right now he's draining out coolant to make this process a little less hot.
I'm gonna tell you right now, you might want to move your bag.
Oh yeah, that shit gonna get soaked. What if it jumped over the curb and right into the back? But yeah, and it should work, honestly. This is why it should work. And let me tell y'all this now. It's the #1 in the country. All right, so pretty much he's taking the thermostat housing off because the instructions say we have to take the thermostat out. And, you know, like, we have to let it run without the thermostat in it. And then after it's done, like, doing whatever the fuck it does, then it fucking, we gotta put it back. So, thermostat housing off. And there goes the coolant.
Oh shit! I ain't do the bottom one.
The bottom one. Oh yeah. You can't reach it.
No, I got it. I just got to twist it. Pour slowly with engine idling. Slowly pour Blue Devil into the radiator. Okay, so it'll be bleeding itself while I'm doing it. So
yeah.
I gotta worry about that. I'm gonna have the front end jacked up anyway, so that'll make it even better. So it's not getting interrupted by the air. Into the radiator. Take 1 minute pouring time for an entire bottle. 30 seconds for a quarter. Half the bottle. I'm gonna probably do a little more than half. After pouring Blue Devil slowly, let vehicle idle with cap on for 50 minutes. You do not need to flush the honestly, I'm gonna leave this bitch here. I ain't fuck that.
Bitch, we gonna have to go somewhere with a goddamn Richmond and back for 50. Watch, we gonna get here. The temp gauge and be fucking hitting red line. All right, so we're about to. We still gonna let the TL cool off for a little bit. We're gonna take the EG to go to AutoZone because we gotta get a new thermostat and we gotta get distilled water, and then we're gonna come back, run that shit through, let it idle for 50 minutes or whatever, and hopefully it works.
A few moments later.
So right now he's putting the thermostat housing back on. We gotta put that back on. We gotta put that back on to hold on. we gotta put that back on, obviously, to start the car up and run all the fucking water through it. So we're gonna put that back on, put some water in it, and turn it on with the heat on. And nigga, I'm trying to like film shit. Like, nigga, you gotta wait till I get done.
Is it working?
It's in there, but it's not lined up with it.
Keep going. Stop, stop. Go again.
Alright, we just put water in it. We just poured that shit in it. Now after that, it said leave the cap on and let it idle for like 50 minutes. And then turn it off, drain all the shit out again, and refill it back up with water. So, yeah, we got 50 minutes to just waste like time or some shit. It's a natural fucking disaster down here. Fucking water jugs everywhere. But yeah, we decided to leave the TL there since we were gonna have to let it idle for like 50 minutes. So we're about to go to Walmart, get him a new outfit because he got antifreeze and water and shit all over it. And then come back and see what the fuck the temp gauge is looking like. My camera's on 47%. What are you doing? You wanna be in my video? Can you be in my vid? Can you be in my vid? Alright, leaving Walmart now. I'm about to go and check on the DL. That door sounds fucking horrible. Alright, just got back to the TL. Let's see if this bitch is overheating. Nope. I know it's dark and you probably can't see shit, but this is all we're working with is iPhone light up. It's hot.
There's gonna be a heat wave coming up.
Ooh, this bitch is hot as shit.
This heat gets hot.
I feel it. Ooh, you can feel the heat. Exactly.
Yeah, honestly, it feels good as shit.
It's 10:15. We can let it run till. Let it run till 11:15. I mean, Ben got a point. The longer it run, the better. Because if you turn it off, then it's just gonna stop, and it's not gonna like. I mean, that's what I'm assuming. So let it run. Set an alarm.
Day 2.
All right. So pretty much, we just let it sit here overnight. We never messed with it again. It hasn't been on since 11 o'clock, whenever we turned it off. It's been sitting here the whole time. We're about to check the level of that and then go to AutoZone and get another thermostat and see what it does. All right, guys, so we got the thermostat, but we got to go find the old one to get the gasket off of that one, which we're not going to be able to find the shit. But so far, so good. This shit is holding up. It's not overflowing the reservoir anymore. So that's a good sign, because usually before it would have already done the shit by now. But it's been at the same level that it's been at since we first did this shit. So now we're about to go back to my house, see if we can find a thermostat just to drive it. And if not, go back to AutoZone, get a gasket, and put it on maybe. Is it still at the same level?
That shit didn't move.
Well,
What if I don't take this shit out
what?
immediately?
Oh, I don't know. It's a good question. Well, it never said to take it out. It said to...
Meanwhile.
What's another one?
We're in the goddamn jungle, bitch.
Exactly. What the fuck? It's probably gonna run away. No, I'm gonna get close. I gotta look at it slowly walking away. Leave that twit. Come here. Bit. It's been about 4 hours since the last time I picked up the camera. Right now, me and Jamar, we went to Hampton, which is like an hour and 40 from Petersburg. So far, the car has not overheated. We've been checking the reservoir almost every time we stop. It's not boiled over yet, so I think it's good. So, like, we drove up here. The car has been on pretty much since we left, which is like 2 o'clock, I think. I think it was like 2 o'clock when we left. And so far, so good. It's not overheated not one time. It's been right down low. The reservoir is not overfilled. So if you ask me, this shit works. So, I mean, it works. I guess it works. But yeah, hopefully you guys found this video a little informative and hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to leave me a like. And I'll see you next time. Peace out.
Do not tell me how to feel. Let me show you something that's real, huh? 2 or 3 young niggas killed, huh? Hopped out, they took my meal. I mean, really, let me tell you how it feels. He said it was a shooter, got shot down. Gotta keep a Uzi on the block now. Keep a bad memory when the cops round. Live life, stone cold, he on the rocks now. He tried to move away. That was a cool mistake. I'm not in the mood.